Hello and welcome back to Cipheros, to Math Cipheros, okay? Today we're gonna solve a precalculus problem, which is actually word problem. Try it on your own and then watch to the result. Obviously, that is how we learn. And we don't need any kind of theoretical aspect of our stuff. I suppose that you know the basic concepts like those that are mentioned on this problem. So it's about actually interpreting and just having this awareness, to see many things that probably the majority of people would. Let's begin. In all of this, we can shape the function. The first thing, a t plus b, okay, this is a linear function, okay, it's not x, but this is the same thing. X normally is interpreted as the input of the function, okay, but in this case, because we are working with time, which could be x also, but we set just the t as the variable. We have the first segment between 0 and 24 hours, and as we know by the problem, after the 36 hours, the device is the 50% charge remaining, and also it asks us to find all function until the charge is halfway. We said 36 hours as the end point of the function. Then how can we know about b? Because this equation obviously looks very uncertain. We can now b as first, when the time is 0, the charge is at 100%, okay? We just set the values. In this case it would be 100. The time is 0, therefore a cancels out or just remains empty, and b is 100. To know the value of a by a problem's data, we also know that when it happens that 24 hours, the charge is a percent. A times t, in this case this is 24, plus b, that is 100, would be equal to 75, and therefore a would be minus 25 over 24, and that makes actual sense as the slope a is negative, so the function is decreasing. Similarly, we can work out with this from the given data of p at 24, it's 75, therefore c plus t times the square root of t is also 25. Obviously, there are cases in which there is a jump on the function, but we are assuming that this is continuous. This means when one segment finishes, the other begins. If on 24, okay, on the first segment, it remained with 75, the charge battery on the next segment it will be also 75. This is the same thing that c plus d times 2 times the square root of 6, okay, equal to 75. And by other information, we have that p of 36 is equal to 50 simplified c plus 6d plus 50. Now we have the system of equations, okay, we do that by the reduction method, and we finish out with this monster, okay, this d is this value, and just we'll plug in this d and we get this c, and that is why this function finishes out like this, okay. This is an awful expression, yes, but this is how it works. Thanks for watching.